Hello guys, my name is María Rodríguez. Travel to Usiacuri. Introduction of the place. The municipality of Usiacuri is kind of manager of the Atlantic. In this place you can enjoy safe and unique landscape with a house painted in bright color and garden of Trinitarians. You can expect to find there this roof adorned with features of birds typical of the tropics. If you like to see tropical and picturesque places, you will enjoy travel through this touristic destination. This is how many people recommend launch around Usiacuri. In Usiacuri, you will like to find is plain sand, climate, and free people. Duration of the trips. On the morning on the first day, many people around the Santo Domingo de Guzman Cruz and Católica. Location how in center of Usiacuri. There you it will take content a beautiful landscape. If you visit Usiacuri Tourist Park, you will find beautiful view from the most famous viewpoint in Atlántico. It is located in the Mirador de Sagrado Corazón. You can drive there by climbing 355. It is best place your second stay. And other the Iran Palm Artist Center on the Lurisa Natural Reserve are other tourist places that many people tend to visit and enjoy. The ideal trip enjoy the wonders of Usiacuri 3 days and 2 nights. Means of transportation. You can use Usiacuri from Barranquilla, Cartagena and Sabana Larga. It is scarce if you can't move it for in the private car. If you friend to shows more economic opinion, you will find public buses in Barranquilla. Activity 2. Activity 2. Enjoy working. You can hiking in the Lurisa Natural Reserve. 6 kilometers from center of Usiacuri. It is where you'll find several tropical is easy and food get into forest. The Iran Palmer Center is in Trap Osiakuri. It's place where residents people love making Iran palm hamburgers. It is fun and bag and breakfast. Um, this place will perfect the sellers of will recommend you buy very nice shoes, very nice to take home and remember to Usiakuri. Place to say, if you want to speak the night in place as room, be natural. You will have to stay in a cuna a hotel. If you prefer to be sobered, be modern and showering. You will hang out on the ski hotel. Typical foods. As you turn the Usiakuri, you slow 3 8 various typicals. Dishes of region such as rice with coconut, fish, rice, orange, sauce, or meal. Many people recommend lasting the butifarra, which lemon and peppers and the caribañolas, which are found as the yuca, dunk student with ground meat and cheese. You will regret your whole life in doing three delicious recipes. Goes. We we will the go Usiacuri Institute that remains hospital and to introduce artists. The pack is expected to include air condition, transportation, entrance fees to place or interest and gifts of per person. Usiacuri awaits you. Goodbye. See you later.